I passed the Delhi test. S.M. Gavarsak. Sunil Manohar Gavarsak, born 10 July 1949, the legendary Indian Open batsman is also a remembered TV commentator and profit writer. In addition to numbering writer upon in leading joints, he has authored three best-selling books: Sunny Day, 1976, Dogs, 1983, and Rose, 1981, born and brought up in Birmingham, where he attended St. Maxwell High School and College. The Little Master is the first batsman in Test cricket to have aspiring Dun Bradman world record of 29 Test centuries by the time the arrest from the Test cricket. He had made 34 Test centuries in 125 Test match, setting a new world record. Though this record has been broke by another legend, Indian batsman Sachin Tendulkar, but the first remaining that most of Gavaskar hundred were scored as an open factual all the factual of the new wall, a fighting not actual by anyone in this in time in Test cricket till date. In the past, external take from rules and rules Gavaskar theoretical had experience where he was going through a learning particle of her caring and how people and he himself had lost faith in this ability. The extra is wonderful example of how failing can be the public of success, provide one have the direction to do so. We had another 2 day to picture in Delhi before the second test began. Won the Avery of the Test. My second book, Indoors, was led by Kapil Dev and Indian skipping with civil lawyer as chief guest, Mitchell Holding and Jaipur Ding under the function why their festival there were plate of passing men around and the atmosphere was very crowded. Within hour the better was to be recommended, so we went back to the hotel to rest. There was little of rest on where Saint my wife friend from college days. We drove in to see her. Us then we are meet each others after 7 or 8 years. they then had a lot of news and gossiping to exchange, and then drink the evening. Vijay's sister and brother drove in with then spell with the rest. The it then was almost an improvement party in our little room. This was the first time I missed the privilege of winning the capital because a speaking get a settle and so is available to book after he guessed better most hotels where we stayed and the local cricket association were kind enough to give me a room to in myself throw in a home service Siri only the skipping in anything to one and if a revolving captain in named them he also great a single room Vijay and her sister left around midnight with Vijay begging me that I had better do well and next day as Dad was going to be her first day at a test match 11 in the evening as we had restaurant from the indoor religion function. I was accosted by some young girl who had scared me to search the fastless century of my career. The next entry of my career. The next day, I remember languishing at the because I would have been happy to score evening help that much in the game. So low was my confidence at that state. It was essentially not helpner by the divide comment fasting available early in the day by path of the crowd which had come to watch us casual. I had an exchange of words with him. I left the next early and sit in the Drake's room. Have informed Kapil that rather than pick up a flight with the crowd, it would be better for me to be inside a next. Kapil did not like the fact that I had left the net throw at the moment. He did not say anything. International was equally simpler to try the keep cool and be relaxed than get oppressed by the thrill of the crowds all over India are basically the sum and a particular repeat at Kit me where he is down. Keep in mind Next morning I woke up early, then using and saw that a film message had been slid under the drawer along with the newspaper. A couple of messages meant a lot, and so where I went to the ground, I was fewer relaxed and complete at ease after our customer were up exercise a related that I assumed nexus in today as of almost no stop international cricket. We went back to our dress room. The manner was Dilip Sardesai, a jogging person, and he was joined with us where Kapil welcomed in with a hunger Greek snake that had won the toast at last and that we would be waiting with towards the family tending of the stomach muscles tag took place at the fever that another test match was to winning come on in preparation of how many years or how many tests one has played to never setting to business it a good thing because it slow that one caring about one processes and make one that much keeping. I had planned how I was going to track the belonging slow where Ansuman and I blacked out too, but I was feeling relaxed. The Delhi Brigade I normal a beautiful waiting take through it helped swim blowing talent, but this morning the blower got on help. I any case the West India are not clicked in there in the air to swing the ball. They do make the ball move after picture, which is every more defending Marshall through third ball me off the make with a complex of run past point that was another handle pass on batsman like to score a drag where one score run to open one account. There is great regret that one is not going to be any entered failure which a zero fix. There was a brawl in the over and honked it. I was enjoying myself because the ball was coming through next and one cold play shot without browning about movement of the wickets. So then were drive and even the old square drive. In this inning I had a good word to show the wall went off like an object. The things were told to do, so I had no illegal right. I had passed because they seeming no application. I found out late that I had got it with a shout from a wonder, and so the application had magazine. I do not look at the scoreboard or the clock when I am waiting it screening many people, but that the scholar through it is not aspiration but because I feel under less stress and I am more relaxed like this than if I was airing. Every I was close to country where one is near country and know it, then there is the possibility of wearing haste and impractical and lost one bucket. After all, I have always believed that a century should be just a medalist in one's skillet for more than these where if flagged a wall from masala past mid on and it vented over from a wonder. I was scared where Dilip Binasakho a stone in the mud and side bell player and though he had out he must have known by the expression on my face that I did not know my squire because he had Bollywood. He ate your 29 Jeffin Dwells and Bibi Richelder were there to pump my head, and after then calculation and civil law was making, he was from the and our then conclusion and civil law was making have make was be the first sleeping to offer he had. I just shook my head in wonder because in my mid-eye through I was in the 18th second and here I was reading already past a century. It was a beacon moment every sign my return from the West Indian people were yearning for me to score the 29th country and so whether it was planned taxi of a hotel lower by or restaurant state would work up and offer then good vessel from me to score that 100 much as I application their sentiment the caring be went your 29th was become a lit stream to the years I was through from a great relief to get that country and see that delight on the face of my countryman then had ventured from it पहले लिख दो। Pleader from it and problem had interest in the live where I was stole from it. There is simpler no was I can express my gratitude to the Indian cricket love from the very then I was feeling equal and at time changing me during my caring, I embrace the only things I can do to reply their love or cruelness is to try and score as many runs as I can before test cricket is finished with me. The rest of the India is more of blower because I play as if in drudge and it was no square where learning women know my often step back as I played forward and missed the ball. I country had come in 1940 ball. I was informed and I was scared because I do not think I have every player so many shot to great essentially most of many essentially have a library speaking of one and two and take their time come and this go different the quality in terms of time as well as derived factor yet it is not my best test country my best test country was West Test country was the one scored in the first Test at Old Trafford in 1974. There have continents were against batting, and I had not scored a Test country for 3.5 years. In fact, that last one I had scored was during my debut sharing in the Best Indian in 1917. A score there were doubt in my mind then about my ability to score run that knocker in Manchester was important point in my career and give a new lease to my cricketing life. जय हिंद।